My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications that come from the site advtreviews.com. So advtreviews.com is indeed a dangerous site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to trick its visitors into clicking on this special allow button. It says that people need to click on allow supposedly to verify that they're humans and not robots. However, clicking on allow is extremely dangerous. If you do that, you will start receiving such multiple advertisements that would keep popping up in the right part of your computer screen. So these ads will become multiple and will keep attacking your screen from time to time. They may be very active, by the way, and this will distract you from things that are really important. So don't ever tolerate these pop-ups and don't click on allow button. Now, what to do if the allow button was clicked by mistake? Access the menu, go to settings, select privacy and security, then choose site settings, go to permissions and click on notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are permitted to display notifications. If you find this advtreviews.com, make sure you remove it from the list. And remove other junk sites from this list if these sites are not really decent and causing such pop-ups. To make sure that your system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.